Good morning. Picking up right where we left off in the last video. I need to flash this back to the tune that Josh made when it just had the intake. I have not put my stuff away yet. I will do that shortly. And then I'm gonna give this a very quick wash because they left Reno, Nevada at around 10:45 and it's 11:45. So obviously after I flash the tune, I'm gonna go drive it around and let the ECU recalibrate. So it's probably gonna need 15 minutes of driving, and I'm very excited to feel what this car's like just the intake. Wow, so this tune was completed on November 7th with the intake. That's so crazy, time flies, guys. You're about to start seeing this real soon with the Type R. I have everything ready to go. I just need to get the intercooler on before I upload the variable tune. This week is going to be a big week, guys. Don't sleep on the videos this week. Monday, I'm getting 2 exhaust systems ordered for the Type R. 2 exhaust systems. I'm not playing games. Let's do this. No emission lights means I put the catalytic converter and all the sensors back together correctly. Yeah, I am gonna have to drive this around because it does smells like dusty. Here we go. Wow, I actually do like how quiet it is. That hissing sound was just such a pain in the butt. I will go up to my spot and get some flybys for you. I don't think I've ever done that for you guys yet, just with the intake for this car. I will say, after I took the rear seat out, I noticed a little more road noise. You can definitely hear it, like the road noise coming through there, because that cushion provided a lot of sound deadening. Oh, there's a lot less torque. I can't remember exactly how much power the downpipe added. I think it was like 17 horsepower. I don't know how much torque, it was a lot. Oh yeah, you can hear that intake. Right around 50% throttle is where the intake starts to come on. Yeah, so going up this hill in 5th gear, if I give it like 50% throttle, it barely moves out of its way. And I've come up here several times with the, oh my goodness, downshifts don't sound like anything anymore. Oh my goodness. That intake sounds amazing. Good job, Acuity. If you guys want the best cold air intake on the market for your 9th gen, you need the Acuity cold air intake. Let's roll the window up and try it again. Oh my goodness, that sounds good. Holy crap, someone was doing donuts right here. See, I'm not the only one who comes to this spot. Have some fun. This just sounds so much greater in quality without that downpipe. Sorry, Skunk 2, but I forget when VTEC comes on. I think it might be 5,000, 5,200. I think it's 5 grand. I don't even think this thing will trip the tires in 1st gear anymore. It might. Beautiful spot to do a nice little pull. No one's around and they're building something over there. They're building my future house, guys, if you keep watching my videos. Okay, traction's off. Let's go. Definitely still feels quicker than stock, that is for sure. Let's get that flyby for you. Hey, are you gonna be walking down here?
What's that?
Are you gonna be walking down here?
Why's that?
Well, because I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah. And I'm gonna do a flyby.
Yeah.
Do you mind?
No, you're
because
No, we're walking back here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I just want to make sure. I just want to be respectful and make sure that.
Cool,
okay.
Have fun.
Yeah. Thanks.
What's your YouTube?
It's just my name. It's Cameron Hill.
Cameron Hill.
Yeah.
All right, check it out. Thanks.
Cool. Thanks. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Hopefully that guy's not a cop or something. Yeah. All of a sudden we hear, wee-oo, wee-oo. Okay, I need to give this thing a quick wash. Yeah, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day to sell a car, I think. Look at those houses up there. I so hope this channel just completely explodes. And Vivian and I can buy a nice, quiet house up on the hills. Make some extra good content for you guys, of course. The 9th gen was there about 30 minutes ago, and now it is not there. And I am a lot richer than I was before. I'm just playing. Yeah, wow, I can't believe it's finally gone. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I'm a little bit sad because it's the second time I've let a 9th gen Civic Si go. But listen guys, it's about to get real. Now I just have to wait till the 21st when I get paid from YouTube, and then ya boy is going to do exactly what he's been talking about for months. And I'm gonna be so happy to just do it and stop talking about doing it. Like, that's one of the things that frustrates me, is wanting to be able to do something, having the motivation to do it, but literally not being able to. And in this instance, that's exactly what's been happening. Now we need to talk about what I'm going to get. Right now, I'm pretty sure it's between two cars. A C5 Corvette, and obviously it's gonna be in a 6-speed manual. I wouldn't even think about an automatic. Or the 1997 Mustang Cobra that you can see right here. So there's advantages and disadvantages to each of them, but I did a poll on my Instagram a couple weeks ago now, and the poll had two questions. It had C5 Corvette or 97 Mustang Cobra. Actually ended up being like 51% for the C5, which actually surprised me because a lot of people have some sort of like negative connotation with the C5. I see comments from people saying, oh, that's an old person's car, this or that, or I'm gonna stop watching if you get a Corvette. Well, you can stop watching right now, go away. Listen, the C5 Corvette is an absolutely amazing car. Mustang Cobra, the good thing about that is that there are no YouTubers with that car. I would be the only YouTuber that posts consistently and that at least tries to make somewhat okay quality content. I think I do an okay job. I do need to get some new microphones and get the GoPro 9, you know, get some upgrades here and there to make my videos better, but I try. I don't know, I mean, this is the final countdown, guys. I have another week and a half to decide what I want. And I think, so there's this Corvette right here, and it's in Folsom, California. Folsom's actually where I bought my 10th Gen Si back in November 2019. So I think I might go test drive this Corvette, and if possible, I will bring you guys along with the GoPro, obviously. So yeah, just picked up some McDonald's for the baby and I, the baby being Vivian. Again, I'm so relieved, and I'm so happy it went to such a nice young kid. He had a 2012 Civic LX 5-speed. He had a 2002 WRX that blew up. So I hope this car treats him well. I know it will. I mean, to get a car in that condition for $8,000 and 97,000 miles, that really is a good deal. So I am gonna have a subscriber from the Los Angeles area go buy that seat for me in Lancaster, and he is gonna meet me halfway. So I'm gonna make a vlog out of that. Maybe even give him a run or two in the Type R with his Supra. I mean, he's gonna absolutely demolish me, but it's just for fun. Holy crap. I'm foaming out the mouth right now, thinking about actually getting the Corvette or the Mustang. If any of you have owned a C5 or an SN95 Mustang Cobra, and you have any opinions or concerns or anything like that, anything you want to share with me, please do. You know, obviously the Corvette right out of the gate is going to be much faster because it has that 6-speed and 45 more horsepower. And yes, you can just get more aggressive gearing for the Mustang, but then you're gonna be tacking way too high of an RPM on the highway. And I will be using this next car that I get to go to work a couple times a week. You know, I'll do 50-50. I wouldn't say one or the other is gonna be my daily, talking about the Type R or the potential Corvette Mustang. I'm just gonna drive whichever one I feel like driving on a given day. That's all, folks. I'm very happy that you guys are here for this ride. Lots of you have just joined over the past like month and a half since I got the Type R, which I really appreciate, but there's so much more to come. You guys just have no idea. Thank you guys. Thanks for being so supportive of the 9th gen and the things I did with it. Even though it never got many views, you know, compared to the SI that I had and the Type R, I still had a lot of fun with it. Really enjoyed driving it. But now, hopefully it's on to a much better life. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you on Thursday.